Get noticed in this 2010 Acura TSX. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with an efficient 4-cylinder engine. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive, driven by a 5-speed automatic transmission. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof, and memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with an MP3 player, a satellite radio. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.